What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today on the very exciting tech video for you guys. And if you're like me, you probably track your sleep right now with either a smartwatch or a smart ring. But imagine being able to track your sleep every night without wearing anything at all, no ring, no watch, no weird sensors underneath your bed, just a lamp that sits nicely on your nightstand. Wouldn't that be pretty awesome? This is the Sleepal AI Lamp, and over the past few nights I've been testing it to see if a completely contact-free sleep tracker like this can actually deliver useful insights. And the interesting thing about Sleepal is that it's not trying to replace wearables like your Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch. Instead, it's designed to work alongside them. The idea is that you wear your wearables, either your ring or your watch, during the day, and then at night you don't have to wear anything at all because the lamp will track all of your important metrics and give you that sleep data that you want to get. So in this video, I'm going to walk through how this works, what exactly it tracks, and discuss whether or not this would be a good approach for you if you're someone like me who just hates wearing a watch or a ring while you're asleep. And if it does bother you, this could be a great solution. So let's get right into the review. Getting started is pretty simple. You download the Sleepal app, scan the QR code on the base of the lamp, and then run a quick placement calibration so the device understands where your bed is. Unlike most sleep trackers, Sleepal isn't measuring movement from your wrist. Instead, it's using sensors built into the lamp to monitor what's happening in your bed while you sleep. After your first night, the app automatically generates a sleep report shortly after you get up in the morning, and over time, it's able to build an even more complete picture of your sleeping habits. Perhaps the most interesting part of this product is the technology that's inside the lamp and how it's actually able to track your sleep. So let's talk about that. Sleepal uses a 60 gigahertz millimeter wave radar sensor that can detect extremely small chest movements caused by breathing. That means the system can monitor things like your breathing patterns, your heart rate signals, sleep stages, body movements, all without you wearing anything at all in your bed at night. This radar data is combined with environmental sensors that track things like your room temperature, humidity, noise level, and of course the ambient light. The system then uses an AI model trained on thousands of clinical sleep data sets to classify your night into sleep stages like REM, deep sleep, and light sleep. So instead of estimating your sleep data based only on movement like many wearables do, this is actually using physiological signals to give you that information, which is a big step up in my opinion. One thing that the brand really emphasizes here, and I think makes a lot of sense after using this device, is that Sleepal is not intended to replace your Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch or your wearables that you wear throughout the day. Think of this as a day and night setup. During the day, your smartwatch tracks activity, workouts, heart rate, and notifications just as you normally would. At night, the lamp takes over sleep monitoring while your watch charges on your nightstand and your skin gets a break from wearing those devices. The nice part is that your sleep data can sync with both Apple and Android health ecosystems, so it still comes part of your overall health record. And if you're into the Samsung Health or Apple Health ecosystem, you can sync all of that data right back and then integrate it with all the information from your wearables that you wear during the day to get a more complete picture of your overall health, which is great if you're already in one of those big ecosystems, which most people are. Now let's talk a little bit about what the sleep reports actually show you after wearing it for several nights, because if you give it enough data over enough nights, you actually get fairly detailed metrics and reports. The app tracks the usual things that you'd expect, like your total sleep time, a sleep score, sleep efficiency, and the number of awakenings throughout the night. But it also includes a few things that most wearables can't measure very well and you might be surprised by, like your breathing quality, snoring detection, sleep posture, and environmental factors that might have hindered your sleep during the night. For example, if your room temperature rises or there's unexpected noise during the night, those events can show up alongside the sleep stage timeline and will give you information so you know if something may have disturbed your sleep. And that's actually one of the things that I found the most interesting, because you don't only get information about how you slept, but here you actually get some extra context about what things may have impacted your sleep score, why it may have been below average if it was, which definitely gives you some idea what you could improve, or if there was just some one-off unexpected event that you might have gotten poorer sleep one night. You may know if you have kids, maybe the kid wakes you up crying or something like that, then it's obvious why that happened. But there could be some other unintended noises and things like that then you might want to take a look at and see if you could triage your sleep environment and improve it. I'll tell you guys a few more of my personal favorite things. Overall, my favorite thing far and away is that I don't have to wear a watch, a ring, or anything on my wrist or anywhere else in my body. It makes it incredibly difficult for me to sleep. I've always found it very difficult to sleep with my Galaxy ring or Galaxy watch, and it actually hinders me from wearing them. The ring is a little more comfortable than the watch, but it still bothers me. So not having to wear anything makes it a huge plus with this lamp, and I absolutely love that fact. In addition to that, the other thing that I really like is the light that can automatically turn on when you get out of bed. So if you get out of bed, it can motion sense that, and it'll turn the light on like if you're going to get a drink of water or using the restroom. The snoring detection, which you don't get with most wearables, and also can tell you information about your sleeping posture, which can be incredibly key as well. I would say overall that the Sleepal definitely detected my real sleep patterns. I felt like when I saw the sleep score, it matched how I felt. It matched the general time that I was awake versus asleep. And also just kind of if I felt really rested, I had a high sleep score. If I didn't have a good sleep score, I definitely knew that I didn't have a good night's sleep, which I think is a huge bonus. And that tells me personally, just anecdotally, that it's doing a good job of assigning that sleep score. Now let's talk a little bit more about some of those sleep assistance features, because I mentioned the light that can turn on when it detects movement, but there's a couple of other cool things it can do as well. Sleepal tries to help you fall asleep more easily. It can run sleep assistance routines that combine lighting and sound. For example, you can set up guided breathing exercises, relaxing soundscapes like water or birds, and gradual light dimmings as you fall asleep.
Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3.
And if you're lying in bed but still awake after a certain amount of time, the system can automatically trigger those sleep assistance features. It's a small thing, but combining these features that help you fall asleep and also conveniences like that ambient sensor that turns the light on when you get out of bed using the motion sensor, that's absolutely amazing. And these little touches definitely made me want to continue using the Sleepal in my nighttime routine. Now, the device can also help you with waking up in the morning because it has a smart alarm and wake up routine. Instead of just blasting an alarm at a fixed time, Sleepal tries to wake you up during a lighter sleep stage. The idea is that waking up during light sleep can make mornings feel less groggy compared to being pulled out of a deep sleep, and research does support this. There's also a couple of clever touches here. One feature lets you snooze the alarm just by rolling over in bed instead of reaching for a button. That's really pretty revolutionary because normally you actually have to pick up your phone or something like that, press the button, which can wake you up on its own. And the alarm can continue until the system detects that you've actually gotten out of bed, which honestly, that could be incredibly useful for people like me who are hitting that snooze 5 to 6 times every day. And of course, Sleepal also has great smart home integration, so if you're already in a particular ecosystem, this is going to fit right in. It sits right there on your nightstand and fits nicely into your smart home. It can integrate with major smart home ecosystems, which means it can potentially work alongside things like smart lighting, air conditioning, or curtains. And if you're already using something like Samsung SmartThings, it opens up some interesting possibilities for automations there as well, also detecting ambient light. Those are things that can then show up in your Samsung Now brief and can give you additional information from your lamp about your sleeping conditions inside of Now brief if that's something that you're already using. So who is this device for? Well, first of all, it's definitely for me because I hate wearing the Galaxy Watch and Ring in bed to track my sleep, and I feel like this still does a good job of giving me the information I'm looking for and a little bit more, with all that context for what may have kept you awake, the convenience features of that, motion sensor to turn on the light, the ability to help you fall asleep and also help you wake up with the morning alarm. So if you fall into that category like me, where you have trouble maybe falling asleep and also you don't like wearing those wearables to track your sleep overnight, this is definitely for you. Secondly, people who want deeper insights into things like breathing quality, snoring, or sleep posture that you may not get from a traditional wearable, this could be a great device for you as well. And of course, if you just feel like your sleep quality isn't great and want more data to understand what might be causing this, this could also be a fantastic choice if you don't want to wear a wearable. Overall, the Sleepal AI Lamp is an incredibly interesting idea, and I absolutely love having it on my nightstand. Instead of adding another device you need to wear, it turns something that already exists in your bedroom, your bedside lamp, into a sleep monitoring system as well. The combination of contact-free tracking, environmental monitoring, and sleep assistant features make it feel more like a complete bedside sleep system rather than just another tracker. And if you already wear a ring or watch during the day, those can continue to do their job because they might be better obviously at tracking your workouts since it's on your wrist, but Sleepal then frees you up at night where you don't have to worry about being restricted by those items being on your person and lets you relax and fall asleep easier and can help you wake up in the morning. Sleepal officially launches on Kickstarter on April 14th, but you can already secure early access right now through the link in the description. By placing a small deposit, you'll unlock VIP access to the best launch offer once the campaign goes live. The earliest spots are limited, and I've secured a batch for my audience, so if you're interested, it's definitely worth reserving early. And once the campaign launches, that same link will automatically take you straight to the official Kickstarter page. Really enjoyed this. Appreciate Sleepal sending out the AI lamp to me for review. I've really had a lot of fun. Appreciate them sponsoring the video as well. If you guys have any questions about this product, drop them below. I'll be happy to get back to you. Appreciate you guys checking it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.